So what it's drawing is essentially arrows. You can see that's now onto the second set. And it's going to move all the way across to the right. So you can see the left and right there is quite fast because we're doing the segmentation. If we'd done it the old-fashioned way, we'd have been going all the way from the left to the right, down the line, all the way from the left to the right. So we get a lot of dead travel. As I say, I am further away from this device. You would not run this device open at this power. It's incredibly dangerous. Do not do this at home. So you can see here we are finished with this piece of wood. We've got, my laser cutter does need a bit of a maintenance. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to bring this closer so you can see it. So here we have, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 arrows. I'm going to turn this piece of wood over, drop it in, and we're going to turn off that segment Rasta regions flag. As I've said, this stuff does take a minute, so we will just hold off and see how long it's going to take. So you can see this is now doing the traditional full left to full right. You can see the speed difference as it's doing all three of them. So we'll see when this is finished because it will move down into the middle section. I think we can already establish that this is taking a lot longer to achieve the same results here. You know, it's much slower. You know, you've got probably, I don't know, 80% extra movement than you need for each line, which is unreal. Probably even more than that. So what I will do, I'll break this video down, I'll cut it and edit it, and we'll look at the times to draw these images, or engrave these images onto this piece of bamboo. I'm very limited with the amount of test material I've got at the moment, so that's why I'm going over the same piece here. Yeah, the results will be exactly the same, but it's just the positioning will be slightly different. You might see an extra there. I just had to cut a minute ago because of that bug I was talking about with the segment raster regions not being respected. There we go, so we have exactly the same pattern that has been engraved, but it has taken considerably longer with the old full left to full right sort of scan line method rather than the image segmentation method.